Hello, Lyft Lux.
Hi, yeah, for Allie.
Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Wow, you are beautiful.
Thank you.
Sorry, I know. I got mesmerized for a second.
It's okay.
You caught me off guard. Where? This is an Uber, right?
Yeah.
Or a Lyft?
Lyft,
Whatever.
yeah.
Where are you off to?
I am headed over to my friend's house in Long Beach.
Oh,
Yeah.
Long Beach. Is that like New York?
No, it's pretty close by.
Oh, Long Island, Long Beach.
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
We're in California.
You would not be driving me to New York right now.
I was gonna say I would take you, but yeah. So yeah.
So I actually heard of this hack recently on TikTok. Do you watch TikTok?
No, I don't.
So if you want to get a free Uber ride, there's a way to actually do that just by clicking some things in the app.
How do you get a free Uber ride? That sounds pretty cool.
If I were to rate you 1 star and say that I was being like or whatever, they would actually just end up refunding me.
Wait,
on the back end, yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah. That's how you get your Ubers for free. I do it like every other time.